create composition based on your creativity. I will show you the quick step. Okay, I would like you to pay attention on this step. So how to start this first? All right, you need to have a strategy. Okay, let me do a quick demo. So always start with something that is, like the center of gravity, the center of focus point. Any question?
Nope.
No. Right.